guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review video, and the wig I'm working with today is from a company called SO WIGS. Yes, SO WIGS. Thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful wig. Now guys, this wig is their Brazilian body wave wig. Guys, look at how thick the hair is, and this is 180% density, and it is in the length 20 inches. Can you see, guys? This wig is very beautiful. Look at the lace on this hair. Look at the lace. I would have to like put some concealer because the lace doesn't really blend with my skin, and it has 4 combs inside, and it has an adjustable strap. As I'm going to be installing this hair by myself today. I've never installed any wig without the help of my sister, but I want to try and install this wig by myself today. So let's see how it goes. Let's dive right into the video, guys. The generator is on, so there is so much background noise, so guys, just bear with me. If you are hearing any sound at the back, that is the sound of a generator because there is no electricity here. So I'm just going to take some of this and I'm just going to put it on the lace of the wig. Yeah. Think about others way before myself. Yeah, I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell. So guys, I am done applying the foundation into the wig, as you can see. So I'm going to put on my wig cap right now, and I'm going to try the wig on. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody. So guys, I went ahead to part the hair, and I went in with some wax stick, and I also used my hot comb because I wanted to achieve that flat look. You can just use the hot comb. If you don't have a wax stick, you can use the hot comb, but if you want that extra looking flat look, then go ahead and use some wax stick. So guys, I went ahead to cut the lace off of the wig. Like, I was really scared cutting the lace because this is my first time of cutting a lace frontal wig by myself without any help, and I'm so happy that it came out pretty well. So after cutting off the lace, I went ahead to add the got to be spray, and then I used my blow dryer to dry everything off, and I tied it up just to secure everything, as you would see in the remaining parts of the video. About others way before myself. Yeah, I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell. Damn, wasting time on your dreams instead of mine. Yeah, about to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. So guys, I went ahead to do some baby hairs, and I didn't cut my baby hair. I just took part of the wig to form a baby hair, and I think it came out pretty well. And guys, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. Also make sure you check my description box, because every single detail on this hair is going to be in my description box.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.